Hey there, my name is Diane. This is my bike that I got and I absolutely love it. It's got the ability for you to walk through right here so easily to get on and off. So I was really scared the first time I rode it, but I did great. I did half and half. So when I got ready to get going, I'd get close to the seat and pedals, and then I would do pull like that so that would actually turn, give me a little bit of juice to get going, and then I just kind of put the handlebars straight, and it worked wonderful. It felt good, and I can't wait to keep riding it.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.